This is my intro. I'm not trying to get copyrighted, so I'm just gonna sing. Hey! You're annoying. Hold on, because I'm really cute.
You are. Come on, babe.
Hey.
Hey.
What's up, guys? Back with another video. Period. That's how he says it.
No, I don't.
Period.
Period.
Anyways. So today we're going to be doing a mukbang and answering questions that you guys asked us. You screenshotted off of mine too?
Just mine.
Oh, you're weird. Okay, so we're going to do his first. Interesting.
See, those are boring questions. Babe. See, that's why I told you.
Alright, what do you guys like about one another?
Well, I like her personality. And her looks. I just like everything about her.
It tastes like top ramen.
It doesn't. Wait, what?
No, I'm kidding. What do I like about you? I don't like him.
Dang.
I don't like him. That's why I can't think of nothing. Cause I don't like him. No, I'm kidding. He's really nice. He's nice to me. He probably not nice to you females, but he nice to me. Sometimes. He treats me good. Huh? What's y'all plans in the next 5 years?
For me, I'm gonna go to Valley for 2 years. And then try to switch to Cal State San Bernardino or the University of Arizona. What about you?
I'm in love with food. To be on my 200-pound life.
God dang. Babe.
I'm funny. This is kind of hot. I would say this is orange chicken. For the next 5 years, hopefully I have my own apartment. With him.
Yeah.
So annoying.
I don't like rice, but I gotta eat it.
My own apartment with him. And finish with college. Hopefully I'm finished in 5 years. Yep. Alright. Next question. Dang, nobody asked you to get bright. How much you weigh? He weighs 300 pounds.
I weigh 162 pounds.
Okay, let me go to mine. Okay. How did y'all meet?
First, it was during track season. My junior year, her senior year. And then I seen her on the bus. And then after that, we just started texting.
I thought you were going to tell her how I was being loud.
Oh, yeah, that too. She was like really loud.
I was going off of them because they was doing too much.
I was trying to sleep. I remember I was sitting next to Sokoto. I turned around. She's like, I'm gonna beat all y'all up. And I was like, dang, okay.
And I was gonna beat them up.
And then after that, we started texting ever since.
So what made you attracted to me? How I was ghetto? I wouldn't say I'm ghetto, it's just I don't play.
Nah, I mean your personality.
My personality.
You're funny. You always have me laughing.
Oh, I look red.
Dude.
That's cute.
I look lighter.
No, you look black and purple.
Oh,
You look purple, y'all.
it's,
Excuse him.
I'm sorry.
Is your relationship let's just have fun thing, or I see a future with you? I see a future with you. I don't date just for fun.
Exactly. It's a future, and we will have fun with it at the same time. Yeah. This shit is sort of hard.
Are you going to college? If yes, what college are you interested in? Girl, today was my first day. Today was my first day, and I go to Valley College. It's a community college, but it's cheaper. I ain't gotta pay. All I gotta pay for is my books. What do you want to be when you grow up? A teacher. What do you want to be?
Orthopedic surgeon.
I forgot to get some of my juice. You didn't give me a cup. Or is that the cup? Huh?
No crap.
Okay, I know. Right.
Look, your pin's right there. You good?
Almost followed the track. It was sharp. Do y'all like each other friends? I like his friends. They just make me mad when they be like, bae.
I like under each other.
That's spicy. Yeah, I like his friends. They cool, whatever. Have y'all lost friends since y'all got together? Yeah, I have. I don't care. Have you? You over there turning our food up. Yeah, I don't care that I lost friends. Cause I just don't. I'm just a person that don't care about friendships. I don't. What's wrong?
It failed.
Oh. What do y'all love most about each other?
Oh, what you think?
What do y'all love most about each other?
Everything.
Stop staring at me.
I'm just saying, yeah, personality.
Huh?
I'm gonna say personality.
Personality? I love that he treat me well. Treat me nice. He not disrespectful or nothing. He don't force me to do stuff. Favorite memory together? What? You want me to go first?
You said.
Nothing. On Monday, we went to the McDonald's to the movies. You had me rolling the whole time. You're funny. You know that?
For me, it was during summer.
During summer?
June 19th. We went to the movies. And then In and Out.
Oh, yeah. That was funny. That was fun. Yep. Super fun. Describe me in 3 words.
Nice. But mean.
Nice but mean? Oh, okay. How am I mean?
Sometimes. But funny.
How am I mean? What irritates you that I do? Like,
Oh, when you be like, never mind, never mind. Because I won't hear it because my headphones will fall out. And I'll be like, what you said? You're like, oh my, never mind. It don't matter. It don't matter.
you making me sound bad. Making me sound bad.
I'm sort of fool.
You say you're full? Me too. That nap calling my name. Hmm?
No, not yet.
What?
Not yet.
Yeah, it's calling my name. Something he does that irritates me is when he makes me repeat myself. He be like, no, say it. And then he get mad, and then I gotta say it because I don't want him to be mad at me. I hate repeating myself. It's so annoying.
Not even me, so.
I hate repeating myself.
It's basically the same thing, though. I'll be like,
I don't care. Like, I don't like repeating myself. I hate repeating myself.
I still do.
Huh?
What?
Speak up. Don't hold your peace. Ow. Oh. Damn, you happy.
I'm like 230 pounds.
Oh, I ain't lifting you up. You say you 232 pounds.
I ain't 232 pounds.
How much you weigh?
174. 174. I'm full.
I can't eat no more.
I can't eat it.
Okay, y'all. We can't eat no more. Alright, y'all. So, I'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. Alright. Peace. This is my outro. I'm not trying to get copyrighted. So, enjoy my singing. Yeah, yeah.